See, if I push it forward like this, that this bone will close this tiny tunnel and further compress the nerve which runs through this tunnel, called the medium nerve. Now, as the muscles of the forearm get tighter and tighter, they create more friction in our movement patterns, and that's important to understand because that plays a vital role in causing carpal tunnel is the amount of friction. When surgeons open the carpal tunnel, what they find is all these forearm flexors swollen and inflamed and enlarged, and as they're enlarged, they further compress the amount of distance that the median nerve has to actually exist. It's important that we understand, after looking at nerve entrapment, we look at the concept of postural distortion and dysfunctional biomechanics. These concepts play a vital role in carpal tunnel syndrome.